How to call Gekko correctly from Matlab. I found a function for calling Python from Matlab. So, I tried to use this function for calling Gekko package from Matlab for solving odd. I have gotten an error for defining a Gekko option, remote equals true, as function or variable. I opened Matlab with Anaconda prompt. Error message. Undefined function or variable remote. Error in odd_Gekko_Matlab, line 5. M equals py.gekko.gekko, remote equals true, %solve on local machine.
Check this link for how to use pargs in Matlab. Try using m equals py.gekko.gekko, pargs, remote, true.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.